อ๋อ
Street USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the tray. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide